Hello everyone, how are you? One second, hello and welcome to my video. Hopefully all of you are doing it by the grace of God. So 2025 is gonna be end. After few days, 2025 is gonna be end, and you haven't done something meaningful in your life. And at the beginning of the 2025, you have promised to yourself that at the beginning of the 2025, you have promised yourself that you will become so better, you will be disciplined, but you haven't done something meaningful in your life. So time is running so fast, you will have to time is running so hard, because you will have to become so successful in your life, because your parents has so worked hard to raise you. So that's why now it is your responsibility to give them a better life that they always deserve. So that's why now you will have to become a change, because time is running so hard, and if you don't do anything right now, you will regret later. So that's why the pain is discipline is always much better the pain of regret. So which why you will have to take action before it's too late, because whoever has become so successful in their life are ones whoever has become successful in their life are ones who had taken action in their life, because they knew that without taking action they will not be able to very successful in their life. So that's why they had taken action. That is why they are very successful in their life, because time is running so fast, and time is the most important thing in the world. Because whoever has become so successful in their life, they have reached their time very productively, because they know that the most important thing in the world is the time. Because money can be earned, but time will not, because time will not back. So that's why respect your time, and whatever time you have, use this time very productively, so that you can become so successful in your life. And never avoid of making mistakes, because most of the people don't do anything in their life, because most of the people don't do anything in their life, or are not become so successful in their life, is because they are avoid of making mistakes. So you will have to understand that mistakes are not our enemies. Mistakes are our teachers. Mistakes are normally things which are very close to your heart, and if they went wrong somewhat down the line, the only things that keeps you going is the fact that you are still surviving. So if you can make mistake, at the same time you can also learn from your mistakes. So if you can make mistake, at the same time you can also learn lots of new things from your mistakes, because whoever has become so successful in their life or in this world are ones who have did lots of make mistakes, but yes, at the same time they have also learned lots of new things from their mistakes. That's why they are become so successful in their life. So in childhood or since school, we have been taught that mistakes are bad things. But if you don't do mistakes, how will you be able to learn anything? So first you will have to do mistakes. You will have to make mistakes. After that you will be able to learn anything. So which the mistakes is very important if you want to become so successful in your life, because without mistake we will not be able to learn anything meaningful. And always learn and always learn something new, because learning is most important thing, because learning is most important thing. Because learning is most important thing. Whoever has become so successful in their life, even though they are very successful in today's, but even though they are very successful today, but they have also learning something new every single day, even though they are successful, because they knew that learning is the most important thing in their successful. That's why they haven't stopped their learning, and they are growing, because learning is never ending. So which is why we'll have to learn something every single day.